Are you struggling to lower your cholesterol and searching for a natural, effective way to protect your heart? If you've recently been told your cholesterol levels are too high, or you're simply trying to take charge of your heart health, you're not alone. Millions of people around the world are facing the same challenge, searching for reliable, science-backed strategies that don't rely solely on prescription medications. The good news is that you can reduce your cholesterol naturally and dramatically improve your cardiovascular health through consistent lifestyle changes. You don't need crash diets, expensive supplements, or gimmicks. What you need is a comprehensive, sustainable approach to nutrition, movement, and everyday habits, an approach that works with your body, not against it. In this comprehensive guide, we're going to explore the 5 foundational steps to reduce cholesterol that are backed by science, supported by health professionals, and proven effective by countless individuals who've transformed their health using nothing more than the power of commitment and information. This isn't about short-term wins or temporary fixes. This is about long-term, lasting transformation. Whether you're looking to reduce your LDL bad cholesterol, boost your HDL good cholesterol, or simply adopt habits that support a longer, healthier life, these steps are exactly where you should begin. First, let's talk about diet, arguably the most powerful lever you can pull to manage your cholesterol levels. Your diet influences nearly every aspect of your health, but when it comes to cholesterol, specific changes can have an enormous impact. Reducing saturated fats is a key place to start. These fats are commonly found in animal products like fatty cuts of red meat, full-fat dairy products like butter and cheese, and many fried or processed foods. Saturated fats raise your LDL cholesterol, which in turn increases your risk for heart disease and stroke. By reducing or eliminating these from your daily intake, you allow your body a chance to rebalance. But it's not just about removing foods, it's also about what you add. Foods high in soluble fiber like oats, beans, lentils, apples, and citrus fruits help absorb cholesterol in the digestive system and eliminate it from your body before it can do harm. Adding healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, and fatty fish such as salmon or sardines gives your body the essential omega-3 fatty acids it needs to maintain a healthy heart and lower triglycerides. Eating a rainbow of plant-based foods not only supports better cholesterol balance, but also delivers antioxidants and nutrients that strengthen your entire cardiovascular system. But what's a healthy diet without movement? Exercise is the second pillar of a heart-healthy lifestyle. Physical activity doesn't just burn calories, it fundamentally alters the way your body manages fats and cholesterol. When you move your body, especially through aerobic activities like brisk walking, swimming, dancing, or cycling, you stimulate enzymes that help transfer LDL from the blood to the liver, where it can be processed and eliminated. Even more exciting, exercise raises HDL cholesterol, which acts like a scavenger in your bloodstream, gathering up excess cholesterol and ferrying it back to the liver for disposal. The goal here isn't to become a marathon runner, it's to become consistent. Just 30 minutes of moderate-intensity exercise 5 times a week can make a dramatic difference in your cholesterol profile and your overall health. The more you move, the stronger your heart becomes. The stronger your heart, the longer and better your life. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Now let's talk about weight. Maintaining a healthy weight isn't just about aesthetics. It's about function, energy, and freedom from chronic disease. Excess body weight, especially around your midsection, contributes directly to higher LDL cholesterol and triglycerides while also suppressing your HDL cholesterol. Losing just 5 to 10% of your total body weight, even if you're still considered overweight, can significantly improve your cholesterol levels and reduce your risk of developing heart disease or type 2 diabetes. And here's the empowering truth. You don't need to lose a huge amount of weight to see benefits. Small, sustainable changes add up quickly. Replacing sugary drinks with water, choosing home-cooked meals over fast food, prioritizing sleep, and building daily habits of motion all lead to gradual, lasting weight loss. And as your body weight drops, your cholesterol levels often follow. The fourth step in our holistic strategy is to quit smoking. If you're a smoker, this may be the most important step you can take for your heart health. Smoking damages the walls of your blood vessels, making them more prone to the buildup of fatty deposits. It also lowers your HDL cholesterol and contributes to the thickening and narrowing of arteries, making it harder for blood to flow freely. The moment you stop smoking, your body begins to heal. Within just 20 minutes, your heart rate and blood pressure drop. Within 24 hours, your risk of heart attack begins to decrease. And within 1 year, your risk of heart disease is cut in half. Quitting smoking isn't easy, but it's worth every ounce of effort. The sooner you stop, the sooner your cholesterol and cardiovascular system begin to recover. Lastly, let's address alcohol consumption. While some research has suggested that moderate alcohol intake, particularly red wine, may have a protective effect on the heart, the reality is more nuanced. Drinking alcohol in excess can lead to high cholesterol, increased triglycerides, and liver damage. It also adds empty calories, which can contribute to weight gain. If you choose to drink, moderation is key. No more than 1 drink per day for women and 2 drinks per day for men. And for many people, reducing or eliminating alcohol altogether results in better sleep, clearer thinking, more energy, and healthier cholesterol levels. All 5 of these steps, improving your diet, exercising consistently, maintaining a healthy weight, quitting smoking, and limiting alcohol, are powerful on their own. But together, they form a holistic blueprint for transforming your health from the inside out. The best part? You don't need to tackle them all at once. Start with 1. Begin where you are. Build momentum. As you feel better, your motivation will grow. As your energy increases, so will your capacity to take on the next step. And soon enough, you'll look back and realize how far you've come, not just in lowering your cholesterol, but in reclaiming your life, your vitality, and your confidence. So what can you do right now to begin this transformation? Start by evaluating your daily choices. Take a look at your fridge and pantry. What's inside? Plan a heart-healthy meal for tomorrow. Go for a walk this evening. Make an appointment with your doctor to review your cholesterol numbers. Choose to drink water instead of soda. These may seem like small steps, but they are the very foundation of a longer, stronger life. Take action today. Don't wait for a wake-up call to force your hand. Your heart is working for you every second of every day. Give it the support it deserves. By making these 5 changes, you're not only lowering your cholesterol, you're choosing a life with more energy, more clarity, more freedom, and more time to enjoy the things and people you love. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.